Krista Elias Hidalgo Sullivan, born May 3, 1991. Better known by her stage name, Bela Padilla, is a Filipino actress, host, singer, writer, and director. She is best known for her roles in television dramas on GMA7 and ABS-CBN, as well as critically acclaimed films such as 100 to La Para que Stella with J.C. Santos and Meet Me in St. Gallen with Carlo Aquino. She is also recognized for her performances in The Day After Valentine's and on Vodka, Beers, and Regrets. In 2022, she made her directorial debut with the film 366 opposite Zanjo Marudo and J.C. Santos, produced by Viva Films. Additionally, she wrote the screenplay for Joyce Bernal's film Last Night, starring Tony Gonzaga and Piolo Pascual. Aside from her acting career, she has continued to develop her skills in writing and directing for future projects. A look inside Bela Padilla's cozy, boho-themed home. A person's home says a lot about their personality, and Bela Padilla's new quaint boho-themed apartment is a classic example. The actress and screenwriter recently moved out of her old house and into a 100 square meter apartment, which was transformed into her dream space with the help of Moss Design House interior designer Cyndi Fernandez and her husband Mado Beltran, though they originally didn't plan on putting any wallpaper. This quirky pineapple printed one in the foyer was an exception, because the print adds such nice texture to the plain painted walls, and pineapples are Bella's favorite fruit. Bela and Moss Design House centered the design of the living room around this lush green couch. They decorated it with plants, the actress's favorite art pieces, and a floating vertical bookshelf that quickly became the owner's favorite part of the makeover. Moss Design House also framed a passage from one of Bella's favorite books and hung it alongside the artwork and photos on the wall. Having a spot for her piano was one of Bella's non-negotiables. Around 9 people had to carry this big guy up to her apartment, but all the effort was worth it. We love how they decorated it with more of her books plus a pretty neon sign featuring a text that translates to Under the Moon. The dining area is a quaint space just enough for 4 people, but they managed to make the space look bigger by placing a large mirror on the wall and opting for a glass table. Bella's bedroom is definitely the coziest spot in the apartment. It feels like one of those dream houses you see in Hawaii. You feel like you're living by the beach, describes the actress. The macrame wall hanging above her bed is one of our favorite pieces in this room, and it goes so perfectly with the ikat print wallpaper. Bela Padilla's life after moving to London. After opening up about her relationship with her Swiss-Italian boyfriend Norman Benbay, actress Bela Padilla has taken their love to the next level, as she happily announces she has moved to London a few months ago. Though Bella didn't disclose if the move is permanent and if she is planning to come back to the Philippines, she seems happily settled in London. Take a look at Bela Padilla's new life in this gallery. Bela Padilla surprised netizens when she announced her trip to Europe earlier in 2021 marks her official move to London. Though Bella did not specify her exact reason for moving and whether she's returning to her career in the Philippines, many fans speculate the actress is spending time in Europe with her boyfriend Norman Benbay. The Swiss-Italian responded to one of Bella's tweets about London and told her, "I'm just happy I get to see you a lot more nowadays." She's glowing up in her Parisian looks. Bella has also been traveling to Paris, France recently, as seen on her social media. One perk of moving to London is Bella gets more date nights now with Norman. Bella still shines like a celebrity everywhere she goes, like in the shot taken in Pont de Bergamo. The mellow afternoon light in Zurich, Switzerland looks lovely on Bella. Bella visited the Louis Vuitton Foundation Museum in Paris, among other scenic spots. She's definitely looking forward to more adventures in Europe. Visiting Brighton Beach brightens Bela Padilla's day. Bella is blooming in the coziest coat she has ever worn. Bela Padilla is currently enjoying a new journey with her real-life Prince Charming. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.